According to the CDC, 1 in 3 Americans just aren't getting the recommended amount of healthy sleep each night. And quantity of sleep is just part of the story. Without quality sleep, it's common to feel tired the next day. It's time to help your customers say, "Goodnight, restless nights," with Serene Sleep. It's formulated with a clinically studied combo of herbal extracts shown to encourage restorative and restful sleep. We started with the same dose of a special kind of ashwagandha that has been shown to support several aspects of healthy sleep, such as how long it takes to fall asleep, how long one remains asleep, and getting restorative sleep. Then, we added a standardized form of black cumin extract to promote a healthy response to stress, so worries aren't getting in the way of dreamland. In one study, healthy volunteers took black cumin extract or a placebo. After 2 weeks, 79% of the black cumin group reported greater satisfaction with their sleep patterns. So why not help your customers put to bed any thoughts keeping them up at night and show them how to ease into the sleep of their dreams with Serene Sleep from Life Extension?